when replacing the outdoor unit of an air conditioner or heat pump system, does the indoor unit need to be replaced? Well, it depends. When you're looking at replacing the condensing unit outside, depending on the age of the system, let's say you have a system that's only 4 or 5 years old and the outdoor unit gets damaged, you can replace it with the same time unit, and that's the more sensible thing to do. If you have an older system that, for example, uses R22 Freon versus the R410A Puron, the new refrigerant, then you're pretty much forced to replace at least the condensing unit and the evaporator up in the attic to convert over to the new refrigerant and not run a risk of the new refrigerant being contaminated by the old. If you have a system that's 10 years plus and your condenser or compressor fails outside and you're faced with that costly replacement, that may be a good opportunity to look, or at least consider, replacing the entire system and moving up with something that's going to give you a higher comfort level and much higher efficiency as well.